Okay, so we got this Hugger ceiling fan. Because I'm not sure what this brand name is either. I'm not very good at fans, but I know a couple fans, but not all. I don't know this one, but yeah, this is installed in the front area at another Roblox house. I already finished filming those Hampton Bay fans. So yeah, get this to start. It's the light. Here's love. As you can see, it's in black clear. So yeah, I'll take it up to medium. Here's medium. Alright, here goes high. It's gonna go even faster if it's on high. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.